We have come to a point where much of modern life exists within a polarized bubble. There is us, and then there is everything else that lies external to us. And between these two, there is little, if no, connection. This has become the modern mantra, and it is applied across the board to most aspects of our lives, to nature and the environment, personal relations, other living creatures, events and circumstances, and even to those we refer to as our gods. In short, the contemporary worldview is one of incredible isolation. And yet this separation is largely an internal one. We have become separated not only from ourselves, from our sense of self, but also from our contact with the larger cosmos, our sense of origin. What this book offers the reader is a completely new understanding of life, the universe, and everything. What you are going to read within these pages is likely to either amaze you or infuriate you. The choice is going to be yours. What this book is going to show is that not only is there a conscious, unified field of energy that is the source of everything, but that this unified field actively speaks through us constantly. And we are going to be having a conversation with it, a conversation with ourselves.